my name is Abdullah Shebani, and this is my reflection video on the network communications project in section 11. Okay, so the first task, so this project is divided into 6 tasks. In task number 1, we had to design a floor plan and come up with the layout of the building that we were required to make. We used a software called SmartDraw to create the floor plan. It was a very interesting experience to use that software. I think it's a very good skill to learn how to design floor plans that hopefully will be beneficial in the future in future courses or in my personal life. And then in task 2, we had to generate a total of 16 questions. So it was 4 questions each member to ask our client in an interview, which was our lecture. Sorry. It was very interesting to know how professional interviews are made and how project proposals were done. And then we also had to determine the feasibility of the project based on the answers that we received from the questions that we asked in the interview. And then in task number 3, we had to choose appropriate LAN devices. We had to do intense research about different brands such as Cisco, Huawei, and ASUS to determine which switches, which routers to use in our network. I learned a lot about this actually. Learned about the different types and the different specifications for those devices. It really helped me get a deeper understanding about how networks work and how different devices function. And then in task 4, we had to make those connections. So we had to connect all the devices, the LAN devices and the WAN devices in our network. So it's also very interesting to know how everything just works together. So we had to connect the workstations along with the access points, the switches, as well as the servers in our network. I learned a lot about this actually. I think this information will definitely benefit me in the future. And then we have task. We also had to identify the number of connections and the cable lengths and the different types of cables, for example, such as fiber and so on. Then in task 5, we had to perform the subnetting on the network. So we had to assign IP addresses to the devices, like the workstations, the access points, and the routers. This helped me understand a lot more about the subnetting, which is in chapter 4 that we're taking. So it helped me get a much deeper understanding about the topic, which I think will help me in the final exam. And then in task 6, we had to do the documentation and the reflection. So we had to write a group report as well as an individual report, and we also had to do a reflection video, which is the one I'm doing right now. And I believe that's it. Thank you very much.